Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find Facebook page admin. So it is very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Facebook application, and then here in this interface and at the bottom right you need to click on the menu button right up here, and then scroll down, and after that on the right side you need to find pages button. After that you need to scroll this list of options and then click on the liked pages, for example. So then you will see all your liked pages. So for example, I will click on this one page, and then if you want to find admin of this page, all you need to do is to scroll down and click on the about button. Here it is. And then you will see information of this page, so you can actually find phone number. This is a good indication of those who are the admin of this page. You can find email address, you can find Instagram account, WhatsApp account. So it can be the admin of this page. So actually there is no button to find a real admin, and this is the only one way how you can do that. So and that's all, and that's how to find Facebook page admin. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.